Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your YouTube channel name. It is easier now than before because we had to change the name from Google before, but now it's all done in YouTube. All you have to do is go to YouTube. As you get inside your YouTube, make sure to click on the right upper corner, which bears the picture of your channel. Just click on it, and in here, click on your channel. As you click on your channel, you will have to click on this customize channel. Click on customize channel. As you click on the customize channel, you will see a lot of different options. And you have to choose on the basic info. Click on basic info. In here, you can see the channel name is how to currently, but we have to change it in a different perspective. For example, you want to change it to anything, or you want to say how or tutorials, anything you want to change it, just write down tutorials. Or you also want to give a description for your channel. You can add a description of your channel. You want to add links to it. You can also add an email for people to contact you in Gmail. So if you think you want to add all these, you can do that, but it's very basic to change your name in this. So all you have to do is go to the basic, and that's how you're gonna change your channel's name if you want to. In case if you want to change the picture of your channel, all you can do is go here in branding, and in here you can see the picture as well. You can change it from here. So that's very simple on how to change your channel name, or if you want to change your picture. That's it. If you think this video really helped you, please make sure to leave a comment below, and we will catch you in another video. And you all have to do this is click on publish, and this will be updated. And if you think you like this video, make sure to leave a comment below. We'll catch you in another video. Thank you.